work hard, you make decent money, so why does it feel like you're still broke? The truth is, it's not always about how much money you earn. Sometimes it's your habits, the ones quietly working against you. And today, we're going to be breaking down 5 bad money habits that could be keeping you stuck and how to turn them around for good. I am so happy to have you here with me today. Let's get started. Even with a strong income, if every dollar is gone before your next check arrives, you're not building, you're just surviving. But the problem often isn't how much you make, it's not having a plan for your money. And without a plan, every expense feels urgent and unstructured. But I want you to try giving every dollar a job before it hits your account. Set aside money for bills, savings, investing, even fun, but do so intentionally. This approach, sometimes called the zero-based budgeting approach, helps you to prioritize what matters and stop money from leaking through the cracks. Credit cards offer convenience, but carrying a balance month to month is a hidden drain. A $3,000 balance at 22% interest adds over $600 a year in interest alone. And here's the fact that many people don't realize. High balances will hurt your credit score. Your credit utilization, which is how much of your limit you're actually using, makes up about 30% of your score. Now, keeping your utilization under 30% is good. Under 10% is even better. So I want you to focus on paying more than the minimum for your credit cards and tackling your high-interest credit cards first. Out of sight doesn't mean out of trouble. Avoiding your bank statements, credit card bills, or credit score will not make those issues disappear. It really just keeps you unaware. So I want you to set a weekly calendar reminder to check your accounts and your upcoming expenses. Or you can even leverage technology. Apps like Rocket Money or Credit Karma can help to track your spending, alert you to fees, and surface trends that you might be missing. Just a 10-minute check-in once a week can keep you informed and confident instead of anxious and reactive. When your income increases, I know that it's tempting to upgrade everything: the car, the house, the clothes, the vacations. Honestly, you might even be tempted to do so if your income doesn't increase. But when your spending rises just as fast as your paycheck, you stay stuck. Worse, when you're spending to match friends, coworkers, or influencers, you're chasing someone else's definition of success. So I want you to ask yourself this: is this something that I truly want, or something that I think that I'm supposed to have? Spend based on your values, not on comparison. I would even encourage you to take a 24-hour challenge. Before making a huge purchase or an impulse buy, just wait 24 hours. Revisit the purchase after 24 hours to see if you still consider it to be important. You may often find that it's not, and that will result in more money saved over time. Now, this is one of the sneakiest habits keeping people broke long-term: waiting to invest. And you don't need to be wealthy to get started. You need to get started to become wealthy. Now, even $50 or $100 a month in a low-cost index fund, or you can even use robo-advisor accounts to help you grow your wealth significantly over time. The earlier you start, the more powerful compounding becomes. For example, if you invest just $100 a month starting at age 25, you can have over $250,000 by retirement. And this is assuming an 8% annual return. And I want you to remember, investing isn't about finding the perfect time or the perfect investment. It's about being consistent over time. And that's going to do it for today's Mindful Money Minutes video. Bad money habits don't mean that you're bad with money. It just means that you've got room to grow. And the sooner you take action, the sooner things can start changing. Now, if this helped you, why don't you please like this video, subscribe to the channel, and click that notification bell so that you don't miss out on the next one. And if you also know someone who needs to hear this, share it with them. It might be the mindset shift they didn't know that they needed. I want to thank you all so much for watching, and as always, I want to encourage you to dream big, to live well, and to do great things. And I look forward to seeing you